Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the TikTok Live Studio for your PC and laptop. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first stop, you're going to want to open up your favorite browser, okay? It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whatever browser, okay? And then just go ahead and type down TikTok Live Studio, all right? And then just hit on enter. Once done, you'll have a big download live studio right here, which is from tiktok.com. So just basically click on it, wait for the website to load, and you'll have two download buttons, one at the top right and one at the center of your screen. So just go and click on download, just like so, and save it wherever you want. I'm going to save it on my desktop so we can easily spot it. Okay, go ahead and click on save and just wait for the download process to finish. And then once that's done, you can click on the installer right here, or close the browser, open up the installer, just double click on it and click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. All right, so once you're in here, just basically click on install now, and then just wait for the process to finish. Okay, that's basically it. And once that's done, all you got to do is just log into your TikTok account, and then after that, discover how you wanted your life to be. And once done, just hit live and you're good to go. But if you don't know how to go live or set up your TikTok Live Studio for example, gaming or casual live, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a ton of TikTok tutorials for you. But that's just basically it. That is how you download the TikTok Live Studio for your PC and laptop. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.